Hey everyone, welcome back to TesterHub. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add the TesterHub Community Group email to your closed testing group in Google Play Console. This will allow testers to see and test your app, increasing your chances of a smooth launch. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Console. On the left-hand sidebar, find Test and Release and click on it. Next, click on the Testing drop-down and select Closed Testing. Now, select Manage Track for your active testing track. Once there, go to the Countries and Regions section. Make sure all countries and regions are selected. If they are not, click Edit Countries or Regions, select all, and save your changes. Next, go to the Testers tab. In the Google Groups section, add the TesterHub Community Group email. You do not need to remove any existing community groups. You can have multiple groups simultaneously. You're simply adding TesterHub's group email to allow testers from our platform to access your app. You can still find testers on your own, but now you can also use this community-driven platform for even more engagement. The more testers you have, the better your chances of success. After adding the group email, scroll down and copy your Join on Android link, as you will need it when creating your app profile on our platform. Once done, select Save. You will receive a pop-up prompt asking if you want to send changes for review. Select Yes. After submitting for review, the process takes about an hour. Once complete, your app will be available to the TesterHub community during the testing phase. That's it. Your app is now set up for TesterHub's community-driven testing. By expanding your tester pool, you're increasing your chances of gaining production access faster by catching issues early and improving your app's stability. If this guide helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy testing.